Winter is coming, and with it comes one of the harshest challenges our skin faces all year. When temperatures drop, the air becomes extremely dry, sometimes drier than desert climates, and this sudden lack of moisture pulls water directly from our skin. The result? Tightness, dryness, irritation, a weakened skin barrier, and a complexion that looks tired, dull, and dehydrated. Cold winds outdoors and artificial heating indoors create the perfect storm. Pores contract, natural oil production slows, and our skin loses its ability to retain moisture effectively. But today, we're sharing one of the most powerful natural remedies for restoring deep hydration during harsh winter months. A Eucalyptus plus Chamomile herbal steam treatment that opens pores, boosts microcirculation, calms inflammation, and prepares the skin for intense moisture absorption. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Herbal Flavors for natural winter care tips, herbal beauty routines, and simple wellness rituals. And if you're looking for a healthy, effective, and sustainable way to lose weight, check out our ebook, Herbal Flavors: Lose Weight the Healthy Way. The link is right below. Why winter damages your skin: the scientific explanation. During winter, relative humidity can fall below 20% in many northern U.S. states, levels similar to the Mojave Desert. With such low humidity, something important happens. Your skin undergoes transepidermal water loss, or TEWL. This is when water evaporates through the outer layers of the skin faster than your body can replace it. TEWL leads to tightness and discomfort, flaky, peeling patches, micro-injuries in the skin barrier, increased sensitivity to cold air, redness and inflammation, inefficient absorption of moisturizers, slower skin cell turnover, a dull and fatigued complexion. Indoor heating makes this even worse. Forced air heaters quickly strip moisture from the environment, leaving your skin dry, fragile, and unable to retain hydration. This is why a warm herbal steam is so effective. It reverses this process by opening pores, boosting blood flow, and helping the skin regain its ability to absorb and hold moisture. Eucalyptus plus Chamomile. Why this duo is perfect to winter. Eucalyptus and chamomile form a powerful herbal duo, scientifically backed for winter skincare. Eucalyptus, the circulation and respiration enhancer. Rich in eucalyptol, 1,8-cineol, eucalyptus. Enhances circulation in facial tissues. Opens pores through gentle warming. Acts as a natural antimicrobial. Helps unclog congested winter skin. Clears nasal passages for deeper breathing. Stimulates oxygen delivery to the skin. Eucalyptol has been shown to improve respiration and promote relaxation, making your steam treatment not just a skincare step but a full-body wellness ritual. Chamomile, the anti-inflammatory skin healer. Chamomile contains bisabolol and apigenin, compounds known for reducing redness and irritation, fighting inflammation, calming stressed and reactive skin, accelerating skin cell regeneration, soothing conditions worsened by winter dryness, enhancing hydration retention. Together, these herbs create a steam therapy capable of deeply hydrating, softening, calming, and revitalizing winter skin. How steam transforms your winter skin. Steam therapy works by gently warming the outer skin layers. This triggers vasodilation, a natural process that increases blood flow and oxygen delivery to the surface of the skin. Scientifically, steam offers several benefits. Opens pores, loosens dirt, oil, makeup residue, and dead cells. Softens the skin's outer layer. Increases permeability, allowing hydrating products to absorb deeper. Boosts microcirculation. Helps the skin retain moisture more efficiently. Supports natural detoxification through sweat. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective during cold months. Ingredients you'll need. To make your Eucalyptus plus Chamomile steam, you'll need 2 tablespoons dried chamomile or 1 chamomile tea bag, a handful of eucalyptus leaves or 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 4 cups of boiling water, a large bowl, a towel, Optional boosters. 1 drop lavender essential oil, extra calming. 1 teaspoon raw honey, natural humectant rich in enzymes. Rose petals, for softness plus aromatherapy. How to prepare the steam treatment. Here's how to prepare your winter herbal steam. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Pour the hot water into a large bowl. Add the chamomile and eucalyptus. Let the herbs steep for 1 to 2 minutes. Position your face about 12 inches, 30 centimeters, from the bowl. Drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. Feel the warmth opening your pores. Feel the herbs calming your skin. And feel your winter dryness slowly melting away. The ideal after steam hydratation routine. Right after steaming, your skin is at its peak absorption capacity. This is the perfect moment to apply aloe vera gel for cooling hydration, a gentle, nourishing moisturizer, jojoba or almond oil to lock moisture in, a hyaluronic acid serum, optional but powerful. Studies show that warm steam can increase the penetration of skincare products by up to 3 times, making this the ideal window for deep nourishment. To use this treatment. Use this treatment before bed, after removing makeup, when your skin feels tight or flaky, on extremely cold or windy days, 2 to 3 times per week. This ritual restores softness, glow, and comfort, especially during the driest winter months. Extra winter care tips. To keep your skin healthy all winter long. Use a humidifier at night. Avoid washing your face with very hot water. Moisturize while your skin is slightly damp. Drink herbal teas to hydrate from the inside. Include oats, honey, aloe, and shea butter in your routine. Protect your skin outdoors with scarves and balms. Small daily habits make a big difference. Winter can be harsh, but with simple herbal remedies like eucalyptus plus chamomile steam, we can restore hydration, open pores, calm irritation, and bring back our natural glow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs natural winter skincare tips. And remember, if you want a natural and sustainable plan to lose weight, download our ebook, Herbal Flavors. Lose Weight the Healthy Way. The link is right below.